and dear friends, SL Mother's Land welcome you all for our channel. Today we take you to one of the most beautiful waterfall in Sri Lanka, called as Aberdeen Waterfall. It is named after Aberdeen, the third largest city in Scotland. Aberdeen Falls is 18th highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. The 98-meter height and 8-meter wide waterfall is formed by the Kehelgamu Oya, a tributary of Kelani River. Aberdeen Falls can be reached by driving to a nearby car park on a side road from Norton Bridge to Kehelgamu, then walking down a step stairways. Alternately, there is a 9-kilometer side road and jungle track from Ginigathena, an easily accessible village at the pass of the same name. Due to lack of signboards, you should not try to find this jungle track without the help of locals. There are another road to Aberdeen from Ginigathena town. It's 6.5 kilometer distance road and you have to walk 1 kilometer to reach to bottom of the falls. This picturesque waterfall covered with a big stone complex behind, and the pool at the bottom of Aberdeen Falls is crystal clear. But bathing here can be dangerous because of underwater currents. So dear friends, as SL Mother's Land, we asking you, please visit here and see the beauty of these places, and don't pollute here and keep it for our next generations.